Alright, so I just found this new app called Trust Miner, and I had to test it myself. At first I thought it was just another random mining app. You know how these things usually go. But when I opened it, it actually looked different. You can see right here. Multiple coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and even BNB, all running at the same time. Each one has its own hash power, and it actually starts counting almost immediately. So I decided to try it properly. I clicked Start Mining, and within a few seconds, the balance started increasing. Now, obviously, this is where things get interesting, because apps like this, they always look good at the beginning. The real question is, can you actually withdraw? And if you check here, the minimum withdrawal is pretty high, around $8,000. So that already tells you something. This is not one of those apps you just open for 5 minutes and cash out. But at the same time, it keeps running in the background, and everything keeps updating live. So what I'm going to do is test this properly, let it run, and see if it's actually worth it or just another hype app. If you want me to continue testing this and show real results, just let me know. And if you're into apps like this or trading in general, I drop everything step by step. Link is in the description.